Am I covered by my insurance policy? The most frequently asked question that comes to my office every day is, am I covered? And the first thing we say is, send us a copy of your policy. And without reviewing the policy, we can't just give an answer. And oftentimes, someone will say, do I have coverage for water damage? Okay, what type of water damage? My roof is leaking. What type of roof do you have? What type of policy? And then we go to review the policy and we see that they didn't buy an all-risk policy. And maybe they had a basic form. And for the average homeowner, you're saying, well, what's a basic form policy? So reviewing your policy before a disaster happens is the most important thing you can do for your family. You want to make sure you have the right coverage for when a disaster happens. You could be made whole for your damages, of course, with the assistance of United Public Adjusters to be on your side, but without the proper policy, we can't help you. I think after this major storm we just had with Hurricane Ida, people saying, well, I only have $5,000 for water backup. And $5,000 is nothing compared to their damages, or six figures. If they had purchased an endorsement to their policy that increased those limits, that would have substantially helped them get back on their feet. Instead, a lot of people are filing for disaster assistance through the government. I suggest reach out to your insurance agent, ask as many questions as you can, but definitely get the right policy, because we're still in hurricane season. You never know what's going to happen tomorrow, and you would definitely want to be covered. If you have the right public adjuster and the right policy, you'll get every dollar you're entitled to. Thank you.